Hey guys, the check engine light is on in the Mustang and is throwing several codes which are suggesting that it's the canister purge valve that's bad, or canister purge solenoid. So let's swap that out. And of course, for you guys that have seen my other videos, I always use a Haynes manual. And there's a link in the description for where you can go get one yourself. So this is the part number, the purge valve. Got this from rockauto.com. Took a couple days, and I think it was right at $30, and that included shipping. It's one of the cheaper ones. And here is that part. As always, it's always recommended when you're, especially if you're dealing with a fuel system, pull the negative terminal off the battery. And here is where that purge valve is located. It is on the driver's side, just ahead of the master cylinder, right here. Okay, what the purge valve does, it regulates the flow of stored fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the intake manifold. It also prevents fuel vapors from the fuel tank and the carburetor fuel bowl from escaping into the atmosphere. Well, this isn't a carburetor, but of course this is fuel injected. And a failed purge valve can allow the engine to draw in raw fuel, resulting in a very rich fuel mixture, black smoke from the exhaust, and increased fuel consumption. And Debbie did say that her gas mileage had gone down. Let's get this swapped out. It always helps to have plenty of light, you guys. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'll show you on the new one what we're doing here. There's one electrical clip, which is right here, and then there's two lines with connectors. You know, it's always a guess. It's always a guess to figure out how to disconnect some of these connectors. So that's one thing that's going to help you guys out here. And then it attaches to the car right here. So this electric connector, press down right here with your thumb, and that should pull off. That out of the way. Then both of these fuel lines, they're a pinch. You'll pinch and then kind of wiggle it, and it'll come off. If I can find the button, it's gonna be right. You know what? We're gonna do the bottom one first because that's bigger. You can see this yellow tab here. I'm just pitching it in, and there we go. Okay. And then it's the same thing on this one. If I can get my fingers on it. You know what? Let's okay, and then this is just a tab here. I'm gonna slide this off this bracket. Maybe that'll give me better access to. Oh yeah. Okay. So here's this. There we go. All right, cool. You know, it's super simple, but you just got to know how to release the connector. Okay, so we will take the new one. I'm going to slide that on the bracket first. You can hear that snap in. Put the bottom connector on. You heard that snap, and you don't need to push the button when you go back on, because it'll just snap on. And then this other one, you heard that snap. And now the electrical connector, and you heard that snap. That's it, you guys. Absolutely no reason to pay people to do this stuff. Some of this stuff is so simple, and especially if you got your Haynes manual, which right here in chapter 6, it tells you how to do this. So get yourself one of these. Don't forget to put your negative battery cable on. Oh, by the way, I took it to AutoZone, and they're the ones that check the codes, and they're the ones that suggested the purge solenoid. And this is what that looks like. Be sure and go down in the description there and click on that link and get yourself a Haynes manual for whatever vehicles you have and you're working on. They come in, they're so handy. So anyway, appreciate every single one of you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. There's gonna be more Mustang videos and my other how-tos. Save yourself some money, do it yourself. Share this with somebody. Okay, love you guys. Please subscribe, and we will see you next time.